Hello and welcome to our video on how to earn money online without investment. In this video, we will be discussing a few different methods that you can use to make money online without having to invest any of your own money upfront. The first method, you can earn money online without investment by starting a blog or YouTube channel and monetizing it through ads, sponsorships, and product sales. While it does take time and effort to build up a following, this can be a great way to earn passive income over time. Another way to earn money online without investment is through freelance work. There are many websites and platforms that allow you to offer your skills and services as a freelancer, such as writing, design, or programming. You can set your own rates and work as much or as little as you want, making this a flexible way to earn money online. A third method for earning money online without investment is through creating and selling digital products. This can include ebooks, courses, printables, or other digital products that you create and sell through your own website or on platforms like Etsy. Finally, we will discuss the use of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote a product or service that you did not create on your website, social media, paid advertising, blogs, or any other place you find the ideal customer for the product you choose to promote and earn a commission for every sale that is made through your unique referral link. This is a great way to earn money online without having to invest any money upfront, as you are simply promoting someone else's product or service. Overall, there are many different ways to earn money online without having to invest any of your own money upfront. By using one or a combination of these methods, you can start making money online and achieve financial freedom. My suggestion for those who are just beginning online is to learn affiliate marketing so you can focus on learning the most important piece of earning money online: marketing. Most affiliate programs will provide you with the information and marketing materials you will need and handle the sales and fulfillment of the products, so you can focus entirely on learning and perfecting your ability to market effectively so you are reaching the right target market required to make reliable income online. For more information on affiliate marketing, training courses, and coaching, you can join my free Facebook community group. I will include a link in the description and comments for you to access the group directly. Thank you for watching our video on how to earn money online without investment. We hope that these tips have been helpful and that you are able to find a method that works for you. Good luck!